India's economy is growing fast, but why is its global ranking falling? Just months ago, headlines said India has overtaken Japan to become the fourth largest economy and would soon become third. But now, India has slipped to the sixth position, behind Japan and the UK. So what exactly changed? The answer lies largely in the currency. Global GDP rankings are measured in US dollar, not in rupees. That means even if India grows strongly in domestic terms, a weaker rupee can reduce its global ranking. For example, India's economy grew around 7.5% in local terms, whereas the UK grew only 1.5%. So, on paper, India should be ahead. But during the same period, the rupee weakened nearly 7% from around rupees 84 to rupees 90 per dollar, while the British pound strengthened roughly 10% against the dollar. And that's changed the picture completely. After adjusting for currency movement, India's GDP growth in dollar terms was almost flat, around 0.5%. Meanwhile, the UK, despite slower real economic growth, saw its GDP rise nearly 11.5% in dollar terms. And that's why the ranking shifted. This gives us three important lessons. First, economic growth alone is not enough. Currency stability also matters. Second, global investors track returns in dollar terms, so rupee weakness can reduce confidence. Third, India's long-term dream of becoming a $35 trillion economy by 2047 depends not only on growth but also export, inflation control, and a stronger economy overall. India's growth story is still strong, but if the rupee remains under pressure, gaining better global ranking may take longer. Now, the real question is, can India grow fast while also building a stronger rupee? Or will currency pressure keep slowing the journey to $35 trillion? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And for more such market updates, follow or subscribe to Inside Stock Market.